major incident has been declared across parts of the south coast of England and the Channel Islands as Storm Ciarán brings heavy rain and strong wind.
Because tonight it is the Laundry and Dry Cleaning Awards tonight, otherwise known as the LADAs. Excellent.
What makes the LADAs the great event? Well, I think it's because it's the only one in the industry to recognise everybody and the achievements of the companies and the people who actually provide the services for this wonderful industry.
It's a prestige event that everyone loves coming to. Yeah, it's the best of the best. That's what the LADAs is.
What I'm looking forward to tonight is seeing everybody get their awards, everybody getting recognised and making it a fabulous event.
The LADAs is absolutely brilliant. I think it's probably the 6th or 7th year that I've been now. Every year it gets bigger and better. I think Mark and Tina do an excellent job and everybody in the industry turns up and has a great night.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. What we need is all the finalists. If you'd like to come to the stage, please. We're just going to take a photo.
What would be my message for the finalists? Well, I'd congratulate them all on being put forward, first of all, for the hard work they put in during the year in their industries and their own particular roles that they do. And I think this is an ideal recognition of their achievements this year.
Message be? Well, I've won twice and it's really exciting. It's a lovely kind of recognition. It's a feel-good factor. It makes us feel recognised and taken note of, that what we do on a day-to-day basis is actually recognised.
Perhaps one of the most coveted of all the awards, as it's in recognition of the contribution made by an individual throughout his or her working career in the textile care industry.
It's a privilege to get to present this prize to Terry Milling.